Good day everyone. Today's tutorial is based on some short keys in Excel, in Microsoft Excel. So let me bring up my blank workbook. They're going to be using some keys. So let me quickly generate some data sets by using run between. I want to generate a data set between 1 and 100. Just clicking and dragging. So the first thing I want to show us is I want to sum this column. Just click at the end of that column and click your Alt key plus the plus key. You can see it's going to sum everything. Very simple. And the next thing I want to show us is when you need a current date, just use your Control key plus colon to give you your current date. The next one is current time, Control plus Shift plus colon. Control plus semicolon gives you current date. Control Shift plus colon gives you current time. That's that. Then let's assume you want to move from sheet to another sheet. You want to move within sheets. So you use your control page down to move within the worksheet. Another thing I want to show us is by using Alt key, Alt H. You can see the display now depending on whatever you want to make use of on this page. I want to insert a new sheet. Now I pressed my H. Let me do it again. I just click escape, Alt H. I've released my hand from H, then I click I while pressing Alt key. Then I to tell me that the option I want is I want to insert. You see all the options while still pressing down my Alt key. Insert cell, insert sheet, insert row. So what I want is I want to insert a new sheet, which is this. I just inserted a new sheet, which is this. So let me drag it to the back. Then another thing I want to show us is we can try as much as possible and filter this. It doesn't have a header, but we can quickly give it a header. Let's call this maths. Let's call this English, physics, chemistry, biology, government, commerce, econs, which other course? Further maths, technical drawing, TD, and Agric. Now let's assume that I want to filter the whole of this. Before we do the filter, let me show something. Let's assume that I want to highlight the whole of this data set. At times you may have much more than, as in a larger set than this. Click inside the data, the active cell, and Control A is going to highlight the whole of your active cell. Good, that's one. Now let's go to the filter. We want to filter, so we are going to make use of our Alt H key. Then you click your S. Then want to sort smallest to largest. Then you click your S again. has sorted it. Okay, let me do it again. Alt H S. Sorry, I said filter. I wanted to filter. Then I'll click my F. Now we've put filter on the table. Very simple. It's very simple. The another thing I want to show us how to do cell referencing. Cell referencing to do multiplication table. That may be the last for this class. Then part 2 may come in. So let's quickly do that. Maybe you should do like 25 times table. Okay, 15. Let's do 15 times table. Just drag this. And at the same time, we can use fill and do. Okay, this is it. So now this is our area. Let me format this place so that we see what we are trying to do. Good. And let me put border or border so that you can see it very well. Good. So what we want to do is we want to, without wasting more time, you know, like I rightly said the other time, once we're able to master this shortcut, it makes you to work very fast, to work smart. So with this, all you just do is just drag, and you have your times table. 15 times 15 in no time. 15 times 15 is 225. 15 times 12 is 180, and you can see all of that. That's what I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click like, leave your comments, and share. Until I come your way next time, bye for now.